Hi, this is NZDUSD and today it's Sunday, 8th of June 2014 and the time is just a few minutes after the markets opened for the new trading week. We are looking at the H4 time frame of the pair. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video case study for FXholic Forex Signals apps users. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. Let's see the bigger picture of the pair first. Definitely a bullish picture on the monthly time frame, although the price has been moving horizontally for a while, and but the leading Kumho has a sharp edge pointing upwards, which shows that the vertical distance between the upper border of the Kumho and the lower border of the Kumho, second span A and second span B, is increasing, and since this distance reflects momentum, it shows that bullish momentum is increasing. So biases are clearly bullish on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we see that the pair for the last weeks make a deep correction, a deep statistical plunge, statistical validation plunge down to the median Bollinger Band, but it looks like it is about to reverse and continue its upward move because stochastics have touched the 20 level line. They have already plunged a bit below it in the oversold zone, and we expect after this spinning top candlestick with this huge spike, this tail, we expect to see stochastics going upwards, turn upwards. Of course, the general picture is bullish here too. We see that the median Bollinger Band is clearly sloping upwards. We see that the body of the leading Kumho is bullish, but the edge of the leading Kumho is curved, and although the bullish momentum is decreasing, it's still high. So definitely a bullish picture here, and we see that Chikou span has angled upwards. Let's go to the daily time frame and look for a nice entry. So maybe we have a very nice entry here. A rule of thumb is that we go to the daily time frame to look for a nice setup. We look for a nice buy signal at the lower Bollinger Band, and we look for a nice sell signal at the upper Bollinger Band. In this case, we have a few confirmations for a buy signal, but we must see if all our entry criteria are being met. So first, we had a down fractal at the lower Bollinger Band, and at the same time stochastics are curved upwards and they crossed above 20 level line. That's the second criterion. The third criterion here is that we want to see a strong and fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. We had that the previous trading day, and we see that this candlestick here crossed and closed above Tenkan-sen, Ichimoku red line, and now it's time to go to the smaller time frames. It's time to use my 4 time frames Ichimoku strategy. So the first and the highest will be the daily, where we had the fresh price Tenkan-sen cross. On H4 we expect to see a strong bullish Kumho breakout validated by Chikou span. This hasn't happened yet, so we want to wait. We will wait to see the price going above the Kumho and at the same time the Chiku span, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko-hyo, which moves in the past. We want to see that line going not only above the past price action as it is now, but also above the Kumho. So if Chiku span is above the Kumho, somewhere here or here, that means the price level will be at 0.8560 or higher. Okay, at that point the second entry criteria will be met, and then we go to check H1, not earlier. When we have H4 at the level we already discussed, we will come here to H1 and make sure that everything is bullish. It's not 100% bullish now, although the whole picture, the general picture is bullish. And after we make sure everything is here bullish, we go to M30 and we are waiting for a bearish correction like the one we see here. We wait to see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, a bearish candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, which is Ichimoku Kinko-hyo red line, and then a corrective move following this cross. And after the corrective move is over and we see a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M30, we enter long, we buy. Now, if all these criteria are met, that was the fourth criterion, and we enter, we have two options regarding, first of all, we place our stop loss 100 to 150 pips below our entry, and second, I prefer 150 pips, and secondly, we set our take profit target to two alternative levels depending on our trading profile. If we are conservative traders and more long-term traders, we can use the Kumho Breakout to Kumho Breakout rule. So since we are practically entering on a bullish Kumho Breakout, we should expect to exit on a bearish Kumho Breakout. We can see something like that. Here we could have entered here at a bearish Kumho Breakout. Let me insert a shape just to give you an idea. A bearish Kumho Breakout here, and we could have exited that trade when a bullish Kumho Breakout happens up here. So you could have the difference of these 2 points as our profit. Now the opposite can happen here. You can enter on a bullish Kumho Breakout and you can expect to exit at a bearish Kumho Breakout on the same time frame, which is H4 time frame. Alternatively, you can follow my price Tenkan-sen cross entry exit rule from the smallest of the four which you used to enter, and this is M30. So you can run the trade, you enter after a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M30, you run the trade, and when the price approaches the upper Bollinger Band on M30, you watch the stochastics, and if you see them curved downwards ready to make a correction, you exit, or you wait to see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on M30 and exit, wait for the correction, and when you see again a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, you enter and you ride the trend till you see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross again. When you exit, you wait for the correction, and when you see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, you enter again and continue. That's a very simple but very profitable rule. It presupposes that you have a lot of time to stay in front of your monitors and to handle your trades, but it's quite rewarding. So this is it for NZDUSD. Our entry criteria are not met yet. We wait for a strong bullish Kumho Breakout on H4, but once they are met, it looks like it will be a very nice trade.